Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can add code in your Bigo Live. To do so, first of all, just log into your Bigo Live account and open up your Bigo Live app. Here, do make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. And now after opening up your Bigo Live, you just have to go onto your profile or me option, which is on the bottom right side of your screen. After going on to me, you can see an option for earn money. Click on earn money, and here after clicking on earn money, it will take you to this kind of screen. And here you can see a option for question mark on the top right side of your screen. Click on the question mark button, and going on to under the about inviting new users, you can see new user detection link. Click on it and it will take you to a screen where now you are able to enter your Bigo Live ID. And that's how you can add code on your Bigo Live. This was this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review as for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.